Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to close your Wise account step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, prepare your account. Make sure you've withdrawn all your funds and completed any pending transactions. You can transfer your remaining balance to your bank or another account. Step 2, log into Wise. Open the Wise website or app and sign into your account. Step 3, navigate to account settings. Go to your profile or account settings, usually found by clicking your name or icon at the top right. Step 4, find Close Account option. Look for the option labeled Close Account or Delete Account. This might be under Security or Account Preferences. Step 5, confirm closure. Wise will ask you to confirm that you want to close your account. You may need to enter your password again or verify your identity. Step 6, final confirmation. Confirm your choice to close the account. You will receive a confirmation email stating your account is closed. Tip: once closed, you won't be able to access your transaction history or account details, so download any important records before closing. That's it. Your Wise account is now closed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. Ready?